You told yourself you'd only check it for a second. That was 20 minutes ago. You didn't even want to open it. Your thumb just did it before your brain caught up. So here's the real question. What if this isn't a willpower problem at all? Every time you unlock your phone, you're not checking for information. You're checking for a reward, and your brain can't tell the difference between the two. In the 1950s, a researcher named James Olds ran an experiment on rats. He implanted a small electrode into a region of their brain, then gave them a lever. Press it, and that region got a tiny jolt of stimulation. The rats didn't just like the lever, they forgot to eat. They forgot to sleep. Some pressed it over 6,000 times in a single hour until they collapsed from exhaustion. That region was part of the brain's dopamine system. And here's the part almost everyone gets wrong. Dopamine isn't the chemical of pleasure. It's the chemical of anticipation. Neuroscientist Wolfram Schultz discovered something strange while studying dopamine neurons. They didn't fire the strongest when an animal got a reward. They fired the strongest right before, when the reward was uncertain, not guaranteed, not random either. Uncertain, that's the exact mechanism behind a slot machine. You don't know if you'll win. That not knowing is what keeps your hand pulling the lever. Now look at your phone. Every time you check it, you don't know what's waiting. A message, a like, nothing at all. Your brain doesn't fire because of what's there. It fires because it might be something. Psychologist B.F. Skinner proved this decades before smartphones existed. He found that rewards given on a random, unpredictable schedule produced far more repeated behavior than rewards given every single time. He called it a variable ratio reinforcement schedule. You could call it the most addictive pattern ever discovered. Slot machines are built on it. And so, whether anyone designing it said it out loud or not, is the pull to refresh gesture on almost every app on your phone. This is why closing one app and opening another seconds later feels almost involuntary. You're not making a decision. You're completing a loop that started forming before you even understood what a phone was. Here's the twist. Knowing this doesn't mean you're weak for falling into it. Every human brain runs on this exact system because it evolved to make you seek out food, water, and connection. Uncertainty used to mean opportunity. Now it just means an app icon with a red dot on it. So the next time your thumb moves before you've decided anything, you'll know exactly what's happening. It's not a lack of self-control. It's 200,000 years of your brain doing precisely what it was built to do. The lever just changed shape.